now to the race to find a vaccine. With increasing pressure on scientists to find a way to slow the spread of this virus, pharmaceutical giant Pfizer is already designing a manufacturing line where it could mass produce a vaccine. That work is starting early, as potential vaccines are still in the clinical trial phase with no guarantees of success. Alex Perez took a trip to Kalamazoo, Michigan, to get the latest on the project in motion.
I'm standing outside pharmaceutical giant Pfizer's big campus here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. As we know, there is a huge race happening right now to develop and manufacture a vaccine for COVID-19. I got to speak to one of the chemical engineers here, one of the vice presidents at the company, and this has become his passion project. Here's what he had to say. Talk to us about what's happening here. There is an unprecedented rush to get things moving.
Yeah, we have been working fast and furiously since the pandemic. We have a team here working on a new vaccine. It's an mRNA, messenger RNA vaccine, which is unique and novel. There are no mRNA vaccines on the market today because of the difficulty of manufacturing and scaling those. We have our team here of about 75 people that are essentially sequestered, working around the clock to get this done in unprecedented time.
The project is called Lightspeed. Lightspeed. That's very specific. Tell us why.
Yeah, it's Lightspeed because, as I mentioned, this is unprecedented. We know that people's lives have changed in an unprecedented way, and people want to get back to some normal, and we're going to need a vaccine to make that happen. And this facility behind us supplies 100 countries around the world. The reason we chose the Kalamazoo manufacturing site to do this is because we have a depth of technical expertise and capability and people who've taken on tough challenges in the past.
So you say about 75 people sequestered, working around the clock. What are these people doing day to day to try to get us closer?
So we have a variety of disciplines of engineers and scientists. They're working on modifying existing manufacturing lines. They're designing scale-up processes. This particular vaccine requires super cold handling conditions. So you can imagine we have to be able to freeze it, handle it under frozen conditions. So we have people working to design a facility to do that, and we're making those modifications as we speak.
We've heard, not necessarily from you, but from different developers, that we don't know how long it's going to take.
Right.
That it could be a year, it could be longer. What do you say to that? Do you have hope that it's going to happen sooner?
Well, I have no doubt that it's going to happen, but it's a question of who's going to do it and when, right? I think the science is there. We're a science-based company, and we know how to work the science, and science will win. We've been saying that, all along. And, I think there's enough companies like ours behind this, and I do think we'll see a solution to this in the near term. I do. We all need to come together to solve the tough diseases for humans, right? It's not just a single entity. And if we partner, we can have much more power together, and we can solve these issues.
And officials here are hoping by the end of this year, they will be manufacturing as many as 10 million doses of that vaccine right here on this campus. Lindsay?
Science will win. Thanks so much for that, Alex.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.